Hello everyone, this is ZOT1, and as you can see here, there is the archive.org, and they are still fixing it, but there is yet another problem here, and I'm going to show you in this picture here. It's an email from the breachers, and let me read it for you. It's disturbing to see that even after being made aware of the breach 2 weeks ago, EA has still not done the due diligence of rotating many of the API keys that were exposed in their GitLab secrets. As demonstrated by this message, this includes a Zendesk token with perms to access 800,000 support tickets sent to archive.org since 2018. Whether you were trying to ask a general question or a question requesting the removal of your site from the Wayback Machine, your data is now in the hands of some random guy, if not me. I'd be someone else. Here's hoping that they'll get there together now. So this is the main Zendesk Internet Archive email, and they got breached. They got the access token breached, and they was able to reply to whoever this person is, and they told them that like they are mocking the Internet Archive team about that they didn't fix it. And here's another picture which shows for how long a single token has been open for this email, I suppose. And if we see here, they say they had access to it since 2018. So I don't know how, but they've been access to it for a long time now. And here it say, oh, this single token is open for 647 days, which is over or around 2 years. And here, if you see the domain, yeah, it say the service actually as the archive.org, so it belongs to the archive.org website. So yeah, yet another breach. And yeah, the website is still not here, and at least we still have those. Archive IT sometimes does work, as you can see. The Wayback Machine, it, it's working fine, but yeah, there is still some websites, and the main website is what we need. And now, if we go back to the SN Black Meta, the guys who did the DDoS attack and also breached and stole 31 million users, and now they are keeping quiet. Maybe it's not them this time, as Bleeping Computer said. So yeah, let me find the Bleeping Computer real quick. So yeah, let me search for SM Black Myth. And yeah, as Bleeping Computers say, many outlets incorrectly reported that SM Black Meta was behind the breach rather than just the DDoS attack. So it's not Bleeping Computer. I mean, it's not SM Black Meta who did the breach this time. Rather, it's another person or another group. I rather say. And that's it. That means the AI team is not facing one enemy, but they are facing two or three more. Who knows? And that means they will have to tighten their security even more and take more excessive security measures to secure and run the website again. And until then, I will keep you updated of any news that will happen. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.